So new this morning here, we have learned from the World Health Organization saying that the COVID-19 pandemic is no longer a public health emergency. This comes as we see a decreasing trend in virus-related deaths and hospitalizations as well.
But that doesn't mean that COVID-19 poses no risk, of course. And so joining us this morning is they have a brand new initiative right now, a new community program created by the Seattle Storm and our state's Department of Health. It is called Take Your Shot. We're getting a first look at the program this morning. Joining us in studio to announce this new initiative, the State Secretary of Health, Dr. Umar Shah, is here, and Seattle Storm's Chief Commercial Officer Nate Silverman is here as well. Good morning to you both.
Morning.
Good to have you here.
Yeah, in person as well. It seems like we've turned a corner here. So let's talk about the goal of the partnership. I mean, how do you plan to reach that goal as well?
Yeah, the goal of the partnership really is to promote vaccinations and youth wellness visits.
And so, and obviously, this is hugely important right now as well. You can speak to that.
Yeah, well, I think you just spoke about the fact that we've had such a challenging time as a nation, as a state, all communities around COVID-19. And this is really an opportunity for us to be thinking about our kids and our families, and how do we promote health for our kids and families.
All right, so also here, it sounds like families can also get storm tickets through caravans. Can you talk a little bit about that? Because obviously this is an important initiative, but it sounds kind of fun also.
Yeah, and maybe Dr. Shaw, you can share a little bit about the caravan, and I'm happy to shed light on the tickets.
So the caravan was something that we, innovative initiative that we had a lot of innovative initiatives, you can imagine, trying to do everything we could to help vaccinate all throughout Washington. So the caravan was an opportunity for us to take these units across the entire state, and they were van. They were, vans that were there, the units that really allowed people to get vaccinated and promote health. And so the partnership is to take the caravans and work now with the Seattle Storm. We're so super excited about this. So
yeah, so what we're going to do is the caravan's actually going to be on site at Climate Pledge Arena during all weekend games this season, and families bring their children by. In fact, adults can get COVID boosters and COVID vaccinations as well. But come by, get a shot, and then you'll get 2 tickets to a future Storm game.
Oh, cool.
Now that it appears that we've rounded this last corner in the pandemic, is there a real concern that there's going to be less vaccinations in general?
Absolutely. So this is what we're really saying to folks is that, look, you want to be concerned about your kids, you want to be concerned about the ability for yourself to stay healthy, and vaccines are so key to that. So this is about, as Nate said, it's well child exams, it's doing all the things to get to our healthcare provider, our doctor, that whole connection, but along the way also to get vaccinated. It's not just COVID vaccine. We're talking about a whole host of adult and child vaccines we want people not to be behind on, and certainly get vaccinated today. Don't delay. This is the time.
That was actually my next question, was if we were talking about more than just the COVID vaccines, because I know during the pandemic we kept talking about these news stories that suggested that less children were getting vaccinated altogether because people weren't going out. They were, they were educating a lot of their kids online. Are we seeing any of those numbers start to tick up as kids are getting those vaccines again?
Well, it's too soon to tell, but we are seeing some increases. What I think the key is just reestablishing care to where you were usually getting care. Not everybody has a healthcare provider, so it's key to be able to get connected with your healthcare provider, or to get to a community clinic, or go, we were doing a lot through pharmacies. There were a lot of different innovative approaches, and so with the public health emergency ending next week, it really allows us to remember that it's not just about what we did for COVID-19, but it's beyond what is truly health for our communities and for our neighborhoods and for our families.
So let's talk about the Storm. So Monday you're going to have the preseason opener, right? And you had to move that game because of the Kraken there. There had to have been some logistical challenges in that.
Yeah, absolutely. The Kraken have been incredible partners, and of course we're so excited for the playoff game, and this city is just on fire with the Kraken right now. It's very exciting to see, and we're excited for our season.
Heck
our
yeah.
home openers on May 20th. We've got Vegas coming back. We've got Sue Bird's retirement night this year, so a lot of fun things to look forward to for the Storm.
They got to build a statue of Stu Bird out in front of Climate Pledge.
I agree. They've been talking about that for months here, years
Absolutely.
even.
Don't you think?
Absolutely.
Definitely
that
needs
to
happen.
If I can do something about that, yes.
It would be located right near the caravan, outside,
right
there.
Two partnerships. There you go. So for more info on the partnerships, where can people go to get more information?
Yes, storm.wnba.com/take your shot.
Oh, easy peasy. Love
It
that.
is. And you can always go to our Department of Health website as well. I just want to point out we're both wearing some really cool sneakers tonight. So,
I
have to
agree.
say,
Does this work?
Nate's got you beat there.
Are those Jordan
These are
ones?
Jordans. These are a throwback for Sonics and Storm, of course.
Those are fire.
I gotta up my game.
That was the first thing I said when we walked in. I said, "Oh, those kicks are
Doctor, we
incredible."
can get you fitted.
Yeah, I guess so.
You come to a game this year.
There
You
you
definitely got to up your
Does
shoe
the
game.
Washington State Department of Health have any like a specific color? Because that would be cool to get matching Jordans.
We actually have a brand new like logo and everything else. So we got a whole thing. So yeah, I think we'll bring that
I think you
up.
need to get some matching
I
J's
think
for
we're going
that.
to talk to the governor. We'll talk to the governor about that one.
Some color coordinated kicks
There you
as
go.
well. That would be great. Dr. Umair Shah, Nate Silverman, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let's check in with Brian and look at our weekend forecast.
I know, because we